it's Sassy B90 and today we are going to be icing a Christmas cookie because tomorrow's Christmas and who wouldn't make a video before Christmas? So let's get started. Here's the cookie we are going to be using. It's a Christmas tree. Next thing we need is the supplies. Green icing, blue, black, red, white, and then sprinkles and a blue icing again. So I'm gonna get the green one. Here's what I'm doing. I am putting the green part of the Christmas tree on for, it looks like it has the branches and stuff, so and I'm gonna go over it and make sure there's no white spots. Try to get the icing out. Let's go on to the next part, which is the black, because we have no brown. So we're gonna open this for the stump. Ooh, this is going fast. And now I was thinking, maybe we could put some blue ornaments, like a dark blue one. Hopefully it's small. There. Next, we're going to put a red one on. Uh-oh. It's being terrorized. Whoops, wrong lid. I don't think that went out so well. We'll call this hashtag fail. Anyways, let's go on. Don't look at that part. Let's go up to light blue. I'm gonna go up here. This isn't looking out so well. Let's use some sprinkles to get away that part. Oh well. Just saying, I am not an expert designer of cookies. We're gonna use this side. Massive sprinkles. And I'm gonna go over a green. Oh, okay. So right now, it looks like I made a sandwich, kind of. A weird sandwich. But I don't want a sandwich, so that's the bad part about it. Didn't go out well. We're gonna sprinkle on some sprinkles because I want it to be extra sugary. And also, we're gonna do a taste test. See how I like this. Here we go. It's sticky because it's not even dry and there's icing on it, so let's eat it. Oh, that's crunchy. It's an improvement. Happy holidays, New Year's, subscribe, Merry Christmas.